wandering and fading. I know there is something more than this. I think I am ready for doing some changing. Oh God, there is something more than this. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night, be a hope for the world so broken, be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me, make the broken things new. Yeah, I'm the only hope for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah, I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Keep my windows open, I hear the cries of the broken. I know they were made for more than this. I see all the fire and smoke and their hearts are losing hope. Yeah, I know it's hard. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, the fire burning in.
Welcome once more to Rachel Faraja's channel. I appreciate you for being here. Today we are making granola, guys, and I've shown you the assortment of all those great ingredients you are going to be using, because they are what make granola. And the good thing about this recipe is that you can always switch it up or switch it down to whatever preferences you have. So for the dry ingredients, because we need something to hold this granola together, I am going to be using this peanut butter, and it's a peanut butter that you would love to have, and it's made by Arc Peanuts, one of my best brands so far of making this peanut butter. You can see how smooth it's been, and even the honey I'm making, I just buy specific brands because these are the people who are found to be consistent in what they are doing. This brand is called Sasa Honey. You can always check them out and make an order through the Instagram page, and they are off. So you're going to need to mix that blend of the honey and the peanut together. It's over low heat because we don't want to burn the peanut, nor do we want to have the honey boiling, but yet we need to sort of just bring them to a lighter consistency. This is what I'm talking about. If you have very sticky peanut butter or sticky honey, place over hot water or even add a bit of oil. I can recommend coconut oil or just the vegetable oil we use. So now we are over to the mixing stage, whereby I'm going to be putting everything together. This recipe is so simple, guys, and it's simple, and I don't know why granola is so like highly priced, but you guys, you can imagine, because cashew nuts, just a kg of it cost us 1800 shillings. So that is salt I am adding. I've poured the pumpkin seeds, not the pumpkin seeds, but the sunflower seeds. If I had pumpkin seeds, they would go here. They would go here. And that cinnamon I'm topping up just for spices and for flavor. It gives this mixture such a good blend. If I had powdered ginger, I would also have added at that point, but I needed to just substitute that with the grated ginger. As you can see, I'm grating, and it turned out so nice, guys. This is the best invention you can ever have. You don't have powdered, go for the real thing, for the raw ingredients. So you mix everything together, combine it, and then this is the time I am going to pour in that wet ingredients. I also added vanilla to these wet ingredients so that it can enhance the taste, and when it is served over a bowl of breakfast, it's just going to be amazing. So add it in like 2 batches and mix and mix. Okay, off the camera I was able to pick my gloves and mix this thoroughly, but as I was going to pick the gloves, I paused the camera and I forgot to unpause it, so you will miss that part, but you're going to see the final product after it's mixed. We just want it to be covered and coated in this honey and peanut butter mixture. That's what it looks like after it is done. Of course, the cashews and the cashew nuts are very conspicuous, and I want them to be able to roast well in the oven. That's why I'm actually bringing them, most of them, to the top, and so that I can be able to do that. I have remained with peanut and the desiccated coconut and the raisins. They are not yet in the mixture. Please mark you, they are not yet in the mixture. My peanuts were cooked and I don't need to add them. So the total cooking time should not exceed 30 minutes. So for the first 10 minutes, I brought them out and mixed. And you know what? The down part has already browned. As you can see, as I'm turning them, the lower part is already solid brown. So that's why you need to keep mixing this so that the brown part can mix and the other part now goes down. So that's what I'm doing. Take it back to the oven for another 10 minutes. Then I will remove it at the 20th mark so that I can add the desiccated coconut. And once I do that, you will just see the change even in the color of the cashew nuts. Especially, they will have roasted nicely and everything in here will be looking so beautiful.
People knew her by her will, to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel. Even though she got knocked down, it never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy egg. Decades old, but it doesn't matter. Stumble across some memories, try to recall before they all shatter. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survive the wheel. Even though she got knocked down, it never showed.
Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. It's dry, it's crunchy, it is well roasted, nothing burnt. The coconut is very nicely seated there, browned a bit. The cashew nuts are well roasted and so tasty. You can't even taste the honey, you can't taste the peanut butter, you're just feeling the mixture, the blend. And there is our granola, packed and ready to be enjoyed by our family for breakfast, for snacking. Thank you so much for being here. I love you and I appreciate you.